Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll use a relaxation technique that involves gripping and releasing the body to ease tension and discomfort. As the muscles progressively relax, notice the difference in sensations between states of gripping and states of ease. Many studies have shown a strong link between physical discomfort and our state of mind. When stress or anxiety rises, we tend to experience pain or discomfort as much stronger than it actually is. The reverse is also true. We can learn to manage our physical discomfort by learning to relax on a physical and mental level. So let's begin. For this practice, you may prefer to lie down, placing a small pillow or blanket under your head and some support under your knees. Alternatively, sit back in your chair so that you're fully releasing the weight of your body. Now gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. As you slowly inhale, invite your whole body to arrive into your practice. Exhaling softly, let your body settle and soften. And take one or two more deep, generous breaths, using each inhalation to land into this moment. Now let your breath settle back into a natural, comfortable rhythm. And watch the effortless rise and fall of your breath, letting your whole body breathe with you. Now, we'll begin to grip and release one part of the body at a time. Each time you tense an area, feel the sensations created by that tension. And each time you release that area, take a few breaths to observe the feelings of relaxation. Bring your attention to your feet. Take a deep breath in, and as you hold your breath, curl your toes as though you were trying to make fists with your feet. Now exhale and relax your feet completely. As you breathe naturally, notice the feelings that come as you release the tension there. Now inhale again and hold your breath. Strongly point your toes, feeling the tension build in your ankles, shins, and calves. And as you exhale, let go of any gripping, allowing relaxation to spread in this area. Inhaling again and holding the breath, tense the muscles of your thighs as though you were trying to hug your thigh bones. Breathe out now, letting go completely. Breathe in and retain your breath, gripping the buttocks tightly. Exhale to soften the muscles completely, noticing the sensations of more ease. Now inhale again as you hold your breath, draw your belly button towards your spine, creating a lot of gripping around your stomach. Breathe out fully to relax your belly. Now draw your attention to your back body and actively arch your back and tense your muscles, holding your inhale. Exhale and completely relax, feeling the sensations of surrender. Again, inhale and hold the breath. Shrug your shoulders, gripping them towards your ears and noticing the tension. Exhale, letting your shoulders soften once more. Take a few breaths, observing the difference. As you breathe in and hold, engage your neck muscles, creating lots of tension there. Now fully relax your neck as you breathe out, noticing the sensations. Now direct your attention to your hands. Inhale and hold your breath, making tight fists. Breathing out, soften your hands and fingers, letting relaxation spread through them. Inhale and retain your breath. Bring your forearms towards your upper arm as though you were curling your biceps, gripping tightly. Now release entirely as you breathe out. Feel relaxation spread through your arms. Shifting towards the face. Inhaling and holding, clench your jaw tightly. Exhale to relax completely, paying attention to the difference in sensation. Take a breath in, and as you hold your breath, squeeze your face by pursing your lips, nose and eyes closer together. Breathing out, totally relax your whole face. Now, hold your breath and wrinkle your forehead and create tension there. Exhale, letting your forehead widen and soften. Finally, retaining your inhalation, squeeze and grip your entire body, creating tension through your legs, arms, torso, neck, and face. Breathe out and let it all go, feeling your whole body surrender and relax. Now feel your whole body breathing once more. And bring yourself back by gently wiggling your extremities and slowly opening your eyes. You can use this simple gripping and releasing technique to help progressively relax your muscles whenever you need to. It's an easy tool to help you manage discomfort. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you back here soon.